Plastics recycling is a very nascent or new industry. We've been recycling plastics in different ways for a very long time, but the advanced recycling of plastics is a rather new industry. There are three main challenges or key factors that I think are instrumental to the success and the long-term growth of advanced recycling or plastics recycling. The first being scalability. With the large amount of plastics that are out there in the world today and the large amount of plastics that we as humans utilize, we need to be able to develop technology that can be scaled. At KBR, we are engineering and developing the technology so it can meet the demands in the future. That means being able to address the large amounts of plastics that will need to be recycled. As a technology company, we are well prepared in doing this development and engineering of a scalable and sustainable plastics recycling technology. The second factor in the success or the implementation of advanced recycling on a global scale is policy. Policy and legislation are very important for the success of plastics recycling. Rules and regulations related to plastics recycling vary by country to country, region to region, and it's not all the same. There are other areas or regions where plastics recycling is much more welcome than others. And we need a common kind of approach to how the globe or the world wants to approach plastics recycling. When we get this policy in place, it will make the implementation and the delivery of these plastic projects that much easier. The support of governments, politicians, and of the public is important for the success of advanced plastics recycling. And finally, the biggest challenge, in my opinion, to the success of advanced plastics recycling is feedstock sourcing. There's a tremendous amount of plastic out in the world today. We use various types of plastics, and being able to source that in a sustainable manner is a very important aspect of advanced recycling. Without the infrastructure in place to sort and clean this plastic, it will be challenging to implement such projects. So it will be very important to have the infrastructure around plastics recycling to source the right plastic to produce the right oils from this process.